Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this segment, we'll demonstrate practical steps to repair and replace faulty components, ensuring your power seat operates smoothly and reliably. Testing the repair. After completing the repair, it's important to test the switch to ensure everything is working correctly. 1. Turn on the ignition. Start your car to power up the electrical system. 2. Test all functions. Press each button on the power seat switch to ensure all movements, forward, backward, up, down, are functioning properly. 3. Check for smooth operation. Make sure there are no unusual noises or resistance when the seat moves. 3. Any hiccups might indicate a problem with the wiring or the motor. 4. Final inspection. Do a final check to ensure the switch panel is securely attached and that there are no loose wires. If everything is functioning smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your power seat switch. If issues persist, you might need to revisit the wiring or consider consulting a professional. With these steps, you can tackle most power seat switch issues confidently and efficiently. Preventive maintenance. Keeping your car's power seat switches in top shape not only ensures comfort but also prolongs their lifespan. A little preventive maintenance can go a long way. Here's what you need to do to keep those switches working smoothly. Regular inspections. Ever think about how often you use your car's power seat switch? Probably more than you realize. Regular inspections can save you from unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. Why are inspections important? Think of inspections as health checkups for your car seat. By catching minor issues early, you prevent them from becoming major problems. Regular checks can identify 1. Wear and tear. Over time, even the best switches can wear out. 1. Inspecting them helps you spot signs of aging. 2. Loose connections. Vibrations from driving can loosen wire connections. 2. A quick look can ensure everything is snug and secure. 3. Signs of damage. Cracks or breaks in the plastic casing or buttons are red flags. How to perform inspections. You don't need to be a mechanic to inspect your power seat switches. Here's a simple way to do it. 1. Visual check. Look at the switches and the surrounding area. 1. Are there any visible cracks or damage? 2. Function test. Press each button to ensure it works properly. 2. Listen for any unusual sounds. 3. Wiring inspection. If you're comfortable, peek under the seat to check the wires. 3. Make sure they're connected and free from damage. Regular inspections give you peace of mind and help maintain the usability of your power seats. Cleaning and lubricating components. Just like you clean your home to keep it nice, your car's power seat switches need some TLC too. Dirt and grime can affect their performance, but a few simple steps can keep them running smoothly. Cleaning methods. Dust and debris can get into the crevices of your switches, leading to malfunction. Here's how to clean them. 1. Compressed air. Use a can of compressed air to blow out dust from around and inside the switches. 1. This method is great for reaching tight spaces. 2. Soft brush. A clean, soft brush can help remove dirt. 2. Gently brush around the switch to dislodge any debris. 3. Mild cleaner. If there's grime, you can use a mild cleaner. 3. Dampen a cloth with the cleaner. Never spray directly onto the switch, and wipe gently. Keeping the switches clean prevents dirt from causing issues, ensuring they stay responsive. Lubricating components. Lubrication isn't just for engines, it can help your power seat switches too. Proper lubrication keeps the components moving smoothly and reduces wear. 1. Use a silicone-based lubricant. Silicone lubricant is great for electronic parts. 1. It's non-conductive and safe for plastics and metals. 2. Apply sparingly. A little goes a long way. 2. Dab a small amount on a cloth and gently apply it to the moving parts of the switch. 3. Avoid over-lubrication. Too much lubricant can attract dust and dirt, leading to more problems. Regular cleaning and proper lubrication keep your power seat switches in perfect working order. It's like giving them a spa day. Taking these preventive measures can save you from future headaches and keep your car's power seat switches working flawlessly. So, make inspections, cleaning, and lubrication a routine part of your car maintenance. You'll thank yourself later. When to seek professional help. Power seat switch issues can often be tackled at home, but know when to call in the pros. Certain situations demand professional intervention to ensure a safe and effective repair. Complex electrical issues. Electrical problems in a car can be tricky. If your power seat switch issues go beyond a simple fix, it's best to call a professional. Here are some scenarios where professional help is crucial. 1. Complicated wiring. If you notice a tangle of wires or if your vehicle's electrical system is overly complicated, don't try to fix it yourself. 1. Messing with complex wiring can lead to bigger problems, or worse, pose a safety hazard. 2. Continuous blown fuses. If replacing a fuse doesn't solve the issue and it keeps blowing, an expert needs to investigate. 2. This could indicate a deeper electrical fault that requires specialized diagnostic tools and knowledge. 3. Burning smell or smoke. A burning smell or smoke coming from the switch area indicates a serious electrical issue. 3. Turn off your vehicle and consult a professional immediately to avoid potential fire hazards. Complex electrical issues aren't just about fixing a switch, they can impact your car's overall electrical system. A professional can diagnose and fix the root cause, ensuring your car remains safe and functional. Warranty considerations. Dealing with warranties can be confusing when you're deciding whether to DIY or hire a professional. Here's what you need to consider. 1. Existing warranty. Check if your car or its components are still under warranty. 1. If they are, trying to fix it yourself could void that warranty. 1. Manufacturers often require that repairs be done by authorized service centers to maintain coverage. 2. Extended warranties. If you have an extended warranty, look at the terms and conditions. 2. These warranties often cover electrical components, including power seat switches. 2. Utilize this coverage to save on repair costs and ensure professional service. 3. Aftermarket warranties. If your vehicle has aftermarket parts with their own warranties, follow the guidelines for repairs. 3. Unauthorized fixes could also void these warranties. Engaging professionals ensures that your warranties remain intact. It's worth taking a few minutes to check the warranty details before deciding on a repair route. When it comes to complex electrical issues and warranties, err on the side of caution. Seeking professional help can save you from bigger headaches down the road. Power seat switch repair might seem daunting at first, but with the right knowledge, it's a task you can tackle. Understanding how these switches work and diagnosing common issues are the first steps. Regular inspections and basic maintenance go a long way in keeping your switches functional. Don't hesitate to seek professional help for complex electrical problems or if you're unsure about handling the repair yourself. By following this guide, you'll save time, money, and maintain the comfort of your ride. Regular care ensures a smooth and stress-free experience behind the wheel. Keep those switches in top shape and enjoy the comfort they provide. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.